Hello guys, today I will show my chicken coop. I have 4 chickens. They doesn't have names. And the house is really dirty. Look. And my mission is today clean their house because this is really dirty. And we get 2 eggs in a day. Sometimes 3 eggs in a day. So we giving them water and food. So let's start working. See you later. Guys, I finally finished cleaning my chicken coop. I will show you how it looks like now. See? It's really clean now. My chickens likes it because now their house is clean and they like a clean house. So, what do you say to my job, guys? Okay, I finished my first video. Can you please like and subscribe to my channel? Because this is my first video. Okay, goodbye, see you next time. Hello guys, welcome to next video. Today I will show my new 4 chickens and my new cook, whose name is Robert. But first I need to get them. So, see you later guys. This is my new chickens. See? Chicken number 1. My chickens doesn't know what's happening. See? I hope they like their new house. This is my coop. This is my new chickens. Can you please like and subscribe to my channel? Okay, goodbye guys. Laipni lūgti nākamajā video. Šodien mēs būvēsim vistu mājai piebūvi. Sāksim nobalkot līniju jaunai vistu mājas staigāšanas vietai. Mēs izmērījām platumu un garumu. Garums mums sanāks 4 metri un platums 2 metri. Labi, turpinam darbu. Tagad mēs iebetonēsim šos vārtiņus pa vidu, un tas būs viss šodienai. Turpināsim darbu nākošajā dienā. Stābi ir nolīmeņoti un gatavi betonēšanai. Mēs esam iebetonējuši visus stāvus. Tagad jāķerās pie nākamā darba. Viss nevar sagarīt, kad pabeigsim darbu. Mēs uzlikām žogu, izrakām tranšeju akmeņiem, lai plēsīgie zvēri netiek klāt. Viss tā mājas biednes uztaisīts, tīkls uzlikts, durvis uztaisīts. Un pēdējais uzdevums. Vistas jālaiž ārā. Vai jūs lūdzu varat ielikt laiku un abonēt? Labi. Tiekamies nākamajā video. Atā. Hello guys, today I will show how my chickens are laying eggs and how color they are. So first we need to check how much eggs do I have. And I don't know how much eggs now I have. For now on I have one egg and she's green. We have to wait for more eggs. Let's see, does I have more eggs now? I hope I have. Oh, there's one chicken laying egg. So we have to wait. Right, we have to wait 30 minutes. Then we get another egg. Let's check, guys, does I have another egg? I wonder if I have now. Oh, I have another egg. Its color are brown. Now we have to wait for more eggs. But we don't know if we get more eggs. That's a question. Let's wait. Today I get only 2 eggs. But sometimes I get 3 eggs and 4 eggs. But today only 2. And I will show how fast my chickens are eating grass. Alright, watch. All chickens are come and fighting for grass. They're eating really fast. Some chickens are not coming because they don't see grass. Guys, can you please like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos? Okay, see you next video. Goodbye. Hello guys, if I get 100 subscribers, I will do what comment says. I don't care what they are saying, but I will do it. Oh, and I forgot. And if I also get 100 subscribers, I will test the chickens are eating their meat or not. There's only one way to find out, so please subscribe.